Hey guys, this is Brandon at the Edge Pro, and it's just something that I want to talk to you guys about is about the field for the Andis AGs and AGCs. There's two different fields that can go into that clipper, and there's some very subtle differences between the two, and I just wanted to highlight those for us so that we can help identify what we have or what we need to replace that part on a clipper when the time comes. So come on over here, let's check it out. Here I have both of the fields, and really all it is a metal canister, and it has two magnets. If we can look down in there, you can see there's a U-shaped magnet down here and a U-shaped magnet up here. And that's really all there is to it. The armature will sit inside of there. But we have two different kinds here, and the differences that we'll see here is on this one here, you can see that the magnet is thicker than the one here. It's a thinner magnet. The other difference, and I'll tilt this one in the light just a little bit, is you can see there's this machined lip here on the inside right there of that canister, whereas this one is just a clean circle canister. And so in the AGC2 Ultra Edge models, as well as like your AG Super 2, we're going to end up having this one here. They call it the super field or the thin field because the wall is thinner than the one over here. And then in your slower models, the AG model, and then the AGC, the AGC2 that's not the Ultra Edge, those are going to use this field here. So that's the difference in those. Typically we don't replace fields unless the magnets are broken inside of them. And that can happen in a drop. Usually they're more durable than that, but occasionally that'll happen in a drop. The other thing that can happen is there's an adhesive that holds those magnets to the wall, and sometimes that adhesive will wear out over time, in which case it could probably be glued back into place with something, but with running the risk of it coming loose again and tearing up the armature, a lot of times we'll just go ahead and replace the field. They're not very expensive, and so that's kind of highlights the differences between the two of these. And hopefully next time we talk, you'll have seen this video and that'll make a little more sense to you. Hope you find this helpful. If you do, please hit subscribe. We're trying to fill up our channel with content like this that's helpful for you and things that you can go in and improve your business. Give us a thumbs up on this video, and we'll talk more in the future about some other things that we run into. Thank you.